If you're in need of residential roof repair, Rochester, New York has several excellent companies that specialize in this type of work. Several of these companies are listed below. The following are examples of services offered by each one. Fine Line Improvements is a locally owned and operated company that has been in business for over 10 years. The company specializes in asphalt shingles and metal roofing materials. In addition to residential roof repair, they also offer attic insulation, gutter cleaning, and emergency roof repair services. Stellar Roofing. If you're in need of a roofing company, Stellar Roofing provides a variety of services for residential customers. Their licensed and insured roof contractors are experts in residential roof repair, emergency roof repairs, and new roofing installation. They work on all types of roofing systems, including asphalt shingles, wood shakes, and metal roofing. Their services also include gutter and skylight installation. Contact Stellar Roofing to schedule an inspection or estimate today. If you're in need of residential roof repair in Rochester, New York, consider Marshall Exteriors. Founded in 2012, this Rochester roofing company provides comprehensive services to homeowners. They specialize in repairing roof damage, replacing missing shingles, and installing new roofing. They are also a certified GAF Master Elite Weatherstopper roofing contractor. Their staff has over 30 years of experience in Rochester, New York. Exceptional Exteriors. Exceptional Exteriors was established by Daryl Sadwick, a home improvement professional with over 30 years of experience in the field. He specialized his team to focus on a particular project, which gives his residential customers the highest level of service and results. The company consists of several crews, each of which has specific experience in residential solutions. The teams focus on the craft and provide the best results possible for each residential project. Since 2012, Exceptional Exteriors has served the residents of Rochester, New York with residential roofing repair. In addition to repairs, they also perform periodic maintenance and inspections for their customers. Exceptional Exteriors is also equipped to install siding, gutters, and other exterior home improvements. Daryl and his team have over 30 years of combined experience. Whether you need a new roof or a complete overhaul of your current structure, Exceptional Exteriors is a great option. Mr. Fix-It Roofing. Exceptional Exteriors in Rochester, New York specializes in roofing and exterior home improvement projects. Whether you need a new roof, repairs, or a complete makeover, their team of experts can do it all. They use quality products and supplies to repair and replace your roof. Their technicians document every detail of the project, communicate with you, and take care of debris. The company is locally owned and operated, and has more than 30 years of combined experience in roofing. If you are in need of residential roof repair, look no further than Graves Brothers. Located in Rochester, New York, this family-owned company has been servicing the area since 1977. Their licensed and insured roofing contractors are familiar with a variety of roof materials and types. They also perform repairs for corroded vertical slits and storm punctures. In addition to roofing repairs, these experts offer other home improvement services including gutter cleaning, window replacement, and hardwood flooring. Fairport Home Improvements. Roofing is one of the most important components of a home and should be repaired as soon as possible if you have any type of damage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.